Assalamualaikum students. Okay, welcome to lecture 6. Today we will do punctuation. Punctuation is very important, as we all know that whenever we make a sentence, we need to punctuate it in many ways. So today I will explain you the punctuation, which is most important in grammar. Whenever you use sentences, whenever you make sentences, or whenever you use any make a letter, story, whatever, creative writing, you have to use punctuation to make it more variable and reliable. Okay, so the definition is here. Using the correct punctuation is very important. As I told you that without punctuation, your sentences, your story or letter will be useless. So using the correct punctuation is very important. The meaning of a sentence can change with the use of different punctuation marks. By using this punctuation marks, we can also know that there is a change in the meaning of a sentence. So you have to use punctuation marks in a very proper way. Whenever you use punctuation, you have to be careful about it that you are using the correct punctuation in the given sentence. So these are some helping points of punctuation, which I will explain you one by one. The first one is full stop. Full stop is a very simple thing, as we know that whenever we finish a sentence, we use it at the end of a sentence. Whenever हम जब भी कोई sentence को finish करते हैं, we show it by full stop कि it has been end. ये sentence या ये जो phrase है इसका end हो गया है, ये finish हो गया है. The examples are here. I like chocolate. The sentence is finished here. Chocolates. So I put the full stop here. The second one is she is a nice girl. A simple sentence. So I put the full stop here when the sentence has been finished. She is a nice girl. Full stop. That means it's a single sentence which I have finished with the full stop. Okay. Second one is comma. Comma. Used to show a short pause. It is also used to mark off a series of words. Whenever we are making many sentences, we sometimes use comma as a short pause. So we can show that we have stopped and we will continue after this comma. So comma is also used for mark of a series of words. Whenever we make like we have many things, like I say I have a pen, comma, I have a pen, book, and copy. So between book and pen, I will put a comma to show that I have a series. I have a series of things which I have mentioned in my sentence. So I have given just one example here of show a short pause. Oh dear, comma, where is my book? That means the whole sentence is this, but I have taken a short pause after oh dear. So I have marked comma here. Okay. The third one is question mark. Question mark, whenever you ask a question, you have to mark a question mark. Used after a question is obvious. Who gave this pencil? Question mark. I have asked one thing to someone that who gave this pencil. So I have to put question mark sorry, to show that I have asked a question. Okay, the fourth one is exclamation mark. Exclamation mark used to show a sudden emotion or surprise. Whenever you are happy, or whenever you feel something good, whenever you get surprised, you show it by an exclamation mark. Like alas, I missed it. Alas means kash, yeah, like a very sad moment, that what happened, मैंने क्या किया. Sudden, you can say a sudden sad emotion. So alas, I missed it. Sorry. Alas यानी कि मैंने ये miss कर दिया. तो alas के बाद we have put an exclamation mark to show that it is a sad movement. Okay, now the fifth one is apostrophe. Apostrophe is used to show possession. Whenever you show possession of anything, you mark a apostrophe sign. Like example is here, Ali's pen. If you say it's a pen of Ali, we have shortened the sentence. हम इतना lengthy sentence कहेंगे it is a pen of Ali. We have shortened the sentence by using apostrophe Ali's pen. So we have to use apostrophe to shorten the sentence. Sentence को short करने के लिए भी we use apostrophe. अगर बहुत lengthy sentence है तो sometimes we use apostrophe ताकि हम उस sentence को shortly brief कर सकें. Okay, the second example is here friends documents. Plural apostrophe comes after. Okay, one thing it will be confusion for you, so you get it puzzled. So I will explain it. Friends, मैंने friends के बाद comma डाला है s के बाद. I haven't put comma between D and S. मैंने S के नॉट प्लूरल। ये एक फ्रेंड की बात नहीं हो रही, देयर आर मेनी फ्रेंड्स, काफी दोस्त हैं, तो उनकी बात हो रही। जब व्हेनेवर वी यूज प्लूरल हम लोग कॉमा एस के बाद मेंशन करते हैं, इट शोज दैट इट इज प्लूरल। ठीक है, जैसे हम बात कर रहे हैं कि फ्रेंड्स की डॉक्यूमेंट्स हैं, द डॉक्यूमेंट्स आर ऑफ फ्रेंड्स। ठीक है, लेकिन हमने उसको शॉर्टन किया है बाय यूजिंग अपॉस्ट्रोफी, फ्रेंड्स डॉक्यूमेंट। लेकिन ये प्लूरल है, एक फ्रेंड नहीं है, वन प्लस फ्रेंड्स हैं, तो हमने एस के बाद अपॉस्ट्रोफी शो किया है। ठीक है, ओके जी। नाउ कम टू 6 कोटेशन मार्क। किसी की कोटेड वर्ड को जब मेंशन किया जाता है, whenever we mention a quoted word of anyone, we use quotation mark. Like I have mentioned here, use in direct speech, it shows the actual words of a speaker. Actual words of a speaker. Speaker ने जो बात कही है, किसी की quotations हैं, हम उसको actually same as it is put करते हैं, we use quotation mark, and quotation marks are like this. ठीक है, the example is here, Ali asked, comma, short pause, quotation mark, can you tell me where the library is? हमने अली की कंप्लीट वही स्टेटमेंट जो हमसे उसने कही थी, सेम एज दिस पुट की है, तो दैट्स व्हाई वी हैव पुटेड दिस quotation mark to show the exact wordings of a speaker. Okay, the 7th one is capital letters. Capital letter used to begin sentences, as we all know that whenever we start a sentence we use with capital letter. Example is here, she is writing a letter. Okay, we have many uses of capital letters, so there is a short description of where we have to use the capital letters. It is used to begin names of people. It's obvious whenever we use a name of people we use capital letters. Places, words and titles, names of days and months. Whenever we use a name of people, place, or something, a very word in titles like a name of a book or a name of a place, a name of a proper place, so we use capital letter. Days and month name will also be start with the capital letter. The example is here, Ali name, Lahore place, Sunday day, Islamabad place, March month. So these are the example of this one. I want to clear one thing more, that whenever we use I, we use it as a capital letter. Even if it will be in a center of a sentence or mid in a sentence. Like I have given you this example. Am I good in maths? Okay. Now one thing, that it has been started with am, a, but I have used I because I is always used. Rather it is in the starting or in the mid, it will be used as a capital letter. So am I good in maths? I have mentioned here I as a capital letter, as I is used always in a capital letter, as a capital letter. So this is the explanation I have given you. I hope that you will understand it. I will give you a worksheet or exercise, you can say, as a paper. You will receive it after this lecture. So I hope by understanding this all, you will complete the exercise as a homework. So what you have to do, you have to do the homework. I will give you exercise and you have to complete the exercise in your copy. You have to copy it and you have to complete the exercise. Okay students, it's your homework. So I hope that you will understand it. If you feel any problem, you can read it again and again. You will understand it easily. Punctuation is not so difficult. It just have to be understandable. So if you understand it, it will be easier for you to solve it. Thank you.
Okay students, lecture number 7, class 7, I have explained you about punctuation. Each part of punctuation I have explained you. So this is the exercise, you have to do it in your notebook. First you have to copy all the matter which I have explained you on board, and then you have to copy this given exercise and you have to punctuate the following. If you are writing these sentences with blue pointer, then you can use black pointer for punctuations. ठीक है, आप black pointer use करें to make it prominent when you will do the punctuation. Okay, so do it very neatly and properly in your notebook. Thank you.